Hey everyone, welcome back to Software Hub. In this 2026 step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to recover data from a corrupted SD card or USB drive using a 100% working method. Simple, safe and beginner friendly. If your file suddenly disappeared, the drive is not opening, or it's asking you to format, don't worry. In this video, I'll explain a reliable recovery method that helps you get back your important photos, videos and documents without complicated steps. If you find tech fixes, data recovery guides and practical tutorials helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Now, let's get started. I don't currently have a corrupted SD card or USB with me. But a few days ago, I successfully recovered data from a damaged SD card. That SD card was showing the raw volume error. If you are also facing errors like raw volume, or your SD card or USB is asking you to format, don't worry. Even if you have already formatted your SD card or USB, you can still recover your data using this method. When you open Disk Management, you may notice that your SD card or USB does not appear properly, or it may be shown as RAW. Now, let me show you how to recover data from it step by step. First, click the link that I have provided in the video description. You will be redirected to this Google Drive page. From here, click on the download button. After the download is complete, right-click on the file and extract it. Now open the extracted folder. Run this software as an administrator. Install Minitool normally by following the on-screen instructions. After the installation is complete, open the software. You will see this dashboard interface. From here you can recover deleted data, recover damaged partitions and even recover data if you accidentally formatted your hard drive. If you formatted your drive, you can select Lost Partition, where you may find your old partitions and recover data from them. You can try this if you format your SD card or USB. You will also see options like digital media recovery and CD/DVD recovery. Since we want to recover data from an SD card or USB, we need to select digital media recovery. Now, from here, select your SD card or USB drive and click on Full Scan. The scanning process will start. This may take some time depending on the size of your data and the condition of the storage device. After the scan is finished, you'll notice a raw folder which contains your recovered data. Before proceeding, keep in mind that this tool does not allow unlimited recovery by default. To unlock full recovery, open the Minitool extracted folder. Here, you'll see a serial key file. Open it. Copy any serial key from the list. Now go back to Minitool, click on Register, paste the serial key here and then click Register. Once registered, you can now recover unlimited data using this tool. Simply find the files or folders you want to recover. Select them and click on Save Files. Now choose the location where you want to save the recovered files. Some photos or videos may be corrupted, but most of your files will be recovered successfully. Files that remain corrupted are usually very old files, or files stored in folders that were rarely accessed. I hope this video is helpful for you. If it is, please like the video and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.